Hi everyone, this is Surbi from Digification. Let's learn how you can create Facebook business portfolio. For this, you'll need your personal account, Facebook account, and then search for Facebook Business Manager, or you can directly go to the link business.facebook. So you can directly go to business.facebook.com, which will open your Meta Suite. Here you can see Meta Business Suite. By default, if you have some pages added, would be here on the left. Once you click here, you'll get this option of create a business portfolio, which was business manager before. Now it is business portfolio. Click on create a business portfolio. Now here you can name that business. Let's say I'm just doing that. Simply you have to put the name. And just one email address which you use for your business and create. With business portfolio, you can create a separate ad account or you can link any ad account which you already have. Now here you'll see with this business portfolio, we want to associate our Facebook page which we have created. Later you can even check with your Instagram and add it here. Now here you can add people as employee or people as your business admin who can have full control. So if I want to add some email addresses, I can add here. As of now, we'll click on next. Confirm. You can create multiple business portfolios. Now here you'll see this is the business portfolio right now which we have created. And we go to the settings. Here we clicked on the settings and now you can see your pages. One page we already have added here. You'll see add account. Here we want to create another ad account. So we click on add and create a new ad account. You can see there are two more options if you want to claim existing ad account. So here the best thing which we want is we want to create a new ad account. Here you can put the ad account name, the one for your business. Select the best time zone you're in. This is Asia Kolkata. Then just select the currency. Next. Agree. Create ad account. So now we have created a separate ad account which we already have it in our business portfolio. Now later you can add the payment information and you'll be done. So this is my ad account. This is my page. Here you can explore more. You can link your Instagram account and that's it. And to access this ad account, now if you'll see in my ads manager, I'll get this option of see more ad account and here is the business ad account. We went to ads manager. Now here this is my business portfolio where I can give access to people. Also I can go to my ads manager which is facebook.com/ads manager. To see another ad account, one would be your personal ad account associated with your profile. And here you can click on see more and you'll find your business ad account which we have just created in the portfolio.